vlog with getting ready. I'm getting ready to go to town. I think I'm gonna go hit the thrift stores. I haven't been thrifting in a while. Just wanted to browse around, not really looking for anything in particular. I just haven't been in such a long time. So today is a very slow day. I don't really have anything going on today. It's also birthday week, so that's exciting. But all the birthday celebrations are until the end of the week, and so I'm kind of just chilling. So yeah, but anyways, let's start getting ready. I have been like romanticizing my get ready with me routine. I usually have been like a very rushed, you know, type thing, and it still is because I'm like trying to be low maintenance, but I feel like I've been like romanticizing my get ready with me routine. I'm really like looking for a vintage vanity to put a pretty gold mirror on top for like a get ready with me station. I really want to do that in the bedroom. But anyways, so I thought I would take you guys along with me today. So this morning kind of just chilled, had a slow morning getting ready. My friend got me this cute little quilted bag for my birthday, and she got it from Amazon, but I put all of my like hair stuff in it and like chapstick and stuff. But I'm wearing this new sweatshirt today, so I think I'm gonna wear my brown bows with my shirt. But anyways, I don't know about you, but like whenever I get like a new bag or something, like I could obviously use this for makeup, but it's just so cute and like pretty. I just don't want to get it like dirty with all my makeup, and I could probably wash it, but I just want to keep it like cute and clean. And it's like one of those bags that I could set up on my vanity and like it would be cute for like decoration. But anyways, whenever I get my makeup out, for some reason Remy just like wants to be super close. She gets so curious when I like start to put makeup on and everything. There's a few things that I have to go pick up from the store. We're gonna go thrifting, so let's go do those things. Alright, so before I go in, I kind of want to give you guys a rundown of what I'm looking for today. I'm looking for some maxi skirts, any type of ballet flats or just flats to wear with that, any type of burgundy stuff, some chunky oversized sweaters. And so we're really just looking for some staple things today. If I see anything home that I've been looking for that I like and is a reasonable price, we're gonna pick it up. Let's go. I just got back from the grocery store, so did not find anything thrifting. I found some cute things that I thought were super cute for like Christmas and stuff, some decorations, but I just didn't need any of it, and so I didn't get it. Although it was cute, I just didn't need it in this season. So I went to Aldi, and I'm gonna do a little haul of the groceries that I got. I'm gonna make some chicken tortellini soup, so I'm super excited. Today is a little bit more of a slower kind of chill day, just chilling at home, and so I'm super excited to just cook. And then later I have to go coach CrossFit in town, and so I'm going to cook right now, kind of chill around the house, and then we're gonna go hop in the sauna and get a workout in later tonight. So that's fun. I'm excited for that. But let's go ahead and give you guys a haul. sun-dried tomatoes, tomato paste, and heavy whipping cream. Now from Aldi, I got sourdough loaf. We don't really eat bread a lot, but anytime I'm making a soup, I will always get a sourdough loaf from Aldi. Spinach, cheese tortellini, onions, Parmesan cheese that I'm going to grate, cranberry fizz poppies, bags, chicken breasts, garlic, and Italian seasoning. Let's get to cooking. Hi guys, it is December 12th. It's my birthday. I turned 22 today, so I'm really excited. It has been a very special day. I have filled my day with things that I love to do with the people that I love, just kind of relaxing and chilling. Tonight we're celebrating with my mom and dad and my dad's side of the family, so I'm super excited for that. I'm excited to just eat dinner at my mom and dad's house, and it's gonna be super nostalgic. Yesterday for my birthday, my family got me some cute little Christmas towels, and I thought that I would share what they looked like. Aren't these so cute? I got like a pack of 3, but these are my favorite. Look at all those bows. And then my mom actually got me a Dutch oven, and so I'm super excited about this one because I've wanted a Dutch oven for a while now, to make sourdough and soup in it and all the things, so I am so excited about that.